This is a very easy way to cook pasta. It's completely different than what you may expect. Pour the pasta in and make sure you bring the water again to boiling point. Stir a little bit so it doesn't stick at the bottom. Turn the stove off. Wait a few seconds for the water to stop boiling so it doesn't overflow. Cover it. And then wait maybe 10 minutes depending how soft you want the pasta and also how thick the pasta is. Maybe spaghetti is going to take maybe 5 minutes. Check it once in a while. Be sure to put the cover back in place and the stove is off during all this time. Well, my timer says about 15 minutes and this is how it looks. So to give you an idea, this is the pasta that I did cook in 15 minutes and this is a raw pasta. You see the difference in size. Now I'm using here, it's a Del Verde and it's a number 32. So it's a pretty stiff one. It took 15 minutes. And what's the good point with this is first, you don't have to stir. You don't have to watch the pasta. You just cover it and stays there. And also it doesn't overflow. So it's very easy. You don't run the fan over your stove and you don't run the stove basically. So it's very nice. Now be sure when you finish to just rinse it with cold water because you want to stop the cooking process. And personally, I never put salt into the water. So it just my taste perhaps, despite what the Italian would tell you.